Virtual classes will work almost exactly like our in-house workshops, but with the added bonus of being a safe at-home activity that you can do with friends and family, both near and far. Our current classes are listed on our website at meadowview.com under Workshops. We do recommend checking back frequently or joining our Blooming Rewards program, as we will be adding additional classes as the season changes. On our website, you can choose the virtual class you would like to take part in. Here you will be able to customize your kit depending on the different workshops offered. For most of the workshops, you will be able to customize your plant or even your potting style. We will assemble your kit in a reusable MVG bag for pickup during our regular business hours before your class date. Your kit will include everything you need to take part in the workshop, including pot, soil, and plants. For participants in our miniature, fairy, or terrarium classes, we also recommend you stop by our fairy garden section when you pick up the kit to purchase additional miniatures or plants to customize your creations. On the assigned day of class, conducted on Zoom, our class instructor will walk you step by step through the entire process, just like they would if you were taking the class at Meadow View. If you are joining us live on Zoom, you can ask questions throughout the entire class. After the class, we will email everyone who signed up for the class a copy of the video so those who could not join us can watch at their convenience. The following week, we will also send you an edited version of the video with additional views, which you can watch anytime on YouTube. So anyone who cannot attend the virtual class, don't worry. You can watch the recorded version immediately following on Zoom or the edited version on YouTube. If you have any questions or need clarification on anything, you can email us at info@meadowview.com and ask your question just as if you were taking part in the workshop live. Stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy the benefits of working with the beauty of living plants along with others who share your interest at Meadow View Growers.